Welcome back. Feast of Saint Roque was celebrated with faith at Majorda on Saturday. Father Ramiro Luis has given a call to faithfuls to lead life on Christian values and renew the society at large. Saint Roque is believed to heal people from diseases and brought faithfuls closer to Christ. Developing cycling as a competitive sport and forming Goa's team for the national games is a priority of Cycling Association of Goa. So, to encourage youngsters to take up cycling, the Cycling Association is organizing a 25-kilometer awareness meet from Mapsa to Sinkeri and back. The non-competitive cycling event will be held on 19 December.
Addressing a press conference on Saturday morning, Cycling Association Goa President Ryan Braganza disclosed the details of Cyclone 2014.
It's an awareness ride. It's on the 19th of December. It's called Cyclone. The route is it's 25.13 kilometers. The route starts, it'll be flagged off in Mapsa at taxi stand via Para, Saligaon, Kalangut, Sinkeri, Circle of Dreams in Nagwa and back to taxi stand.
With National Games 2016 in mind, Goa will have to start identifying the raw talents right away.
The target is to promote 5,000 new cyclists within a period of a year. Our aim is to prepare competitive team for National Games Goa.
Formed in 2008, Cycling Association Goa has just 2 cycling clubs affiliated to it. Pro Paddlers President Nitish Kerkar and Goa Cycling Chief Brian Suarez want youngsters to boost competitive cycling. For now, the Cycling Association is hoping that Goan origin Bollywood star Ileana D'Cruz will attract a lot of youngsters for Friday's event, which is open for all types of cycles. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.